Hey everyone, Natasha here. Want to start speaking English more fluently? Today, I've put together a list of essential phrases that native speakers use to describe their household chores, from mopping the floor to tidying up. So let's dive in. He is sweeping the floor. He'll vacuum the living room rug. He is mopping the floor. Can you run the robot vacuum today? The sink is full. I need to wash the dishes. Wipe the counters and stovetop. He is cleaning out the microwave. He is emptying the crumb tray in the toaster. Take out the trash. Scrub the pan. He's throwing in a load of laundry. Throwing in a load of laundry means to start the washing machine with a batch of dirty clothes. Load stands for one full batch, or whatever fits in the washer at once. So if you have tons of clothes, you might say, I have 2 or 3 loads to do today. He is folding the clothes. Iron your clothes. I should dust the shelves and TV stand. Wipe the coffee table. Don't forget to dust the ceiling fan blades. He's making the bed. To make the bed means arranging your bed so it looks neat and ready after you've slept in. For example, I make the bed right after I wake up. He's changing the bed sheet. He tidied up his room. To tidy up the room means making the room look neat and organized by putting things back in their place. For example, making the bed, clearing the desk, picking clothes off, straightening pillows, etc. It's not deep cleaning. No mopping, no scrubbing. For example, tidy up your room before guests come. He is airing out the room. Airing out the room means opening the windows or doors to let fresh outdoor air replace indoor air. Let's declutter the entryway. To declutter means removing excess stuff from a space so there's less to manage. For example, he decluttered the kitchen counter. Time to water the plants. Chores never end, do they? So if you want more interesting stuff, then subscribe for more videos and latest updates.